Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Cxbx emulator. First, ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements, typically a modern processor and at least 8 GB of RAM. You will also need a compatible graphics card with up-to-date drivers for optimal performance. This setup provides the foundation for a smooth emulation experience, allowing you to enjoy classic Xbox titles on your personal computer. To begin, download the most recent Cxbx Reloaded build from its official website. Once downloaded, extract all the files into a new, dedicated folder on your computer. Next, you'll need to acquire your Xbox game files, typically in ISO format, from legally owned copies. Finally, launch the emulator and navigate to the Settings menu to configure your preferred graphics and audio options for the best gameplay experience. With the emulator set up, open the Cxbx Reloaded application. To load a game, go to the File menu and select Open XBE. This will prompt you to locate the main executable file of your Xbox game, usually found within your game's ISO. After loading, you can fine-tune your controller settings to ensure comfortable and responsive gameplay, making your favorite Xbox titles accessible on your computer. If you encounter issues, first ensure your graphics drivers are fully updated. This often resolves many common problems. Experiment with various settings within the emulator, such as resolution and rendering options, to find the best balance for your system. For specific game problems, consult online communities and forums, as others may have found solutions. Remember, a powerful computer with at least 8 GB of RAM significantly enhances performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.